Tri Tip Crostinis with Chimichurri Sauce, guys. Oh, let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome back to another incredible edition of BBQ Jams. Guys, we have a holiday edition going on. We are going to be cooking up an amazing tri-tip on the Z Grill, pellet grill. It's going to be killer. And who do we have coming over tonight? We have Steve Wheeler and Kevin Sklar blazing some guitars for us tonight. Also, we have Ryan Cobb on bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, let's get involved, people. Okay guys, here we go. Tri-tip, beautiful. This is 4.5 pounds. I'm gonna be cooking this on the Z Grill at 300 degrees. I'm gonna be doing a reverse sear on it. So essentially I'm gonna be bringing this up to about 120 degrees. I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna crank this thing up to 500, and then I'm gonna sear it off, bring it back over, let it rest for a little bit, about 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna be carving into it. By the way, I'm also gonna be making a really cool chimichurri sauce. I'm gonna be putting it on a French baguette along with some bours and cheese. It's going to be incredible. So let's get involved. Here we go. I'm gonna open up the packaging, I'm gonna dry it off, put on a binder, put on our rub, and let it hang out for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes before we put it on the smoker. Definitely gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning up on this fat cap here. I'm gonna take a little of this fat off. Gonna leave some though, you gotta have some for flavor. Also, pay attention to the way that the muscle fibers are running in this, so you wanna keep that in mind when we're cutting into this later, so anyway. I think that's good. Cleaned it up. Now for a binder, we're gonna be using this W sauce. So, I'm gonna give this a shake. And we're also gonna be using this Haywood's brisket rub. This stuff's incredible. So, give this a shot if you wanna check out a good rub. Press it in. You never want to rub or smear, you just want to press in, because if you rub it, you're going to smear that rub right off. Alright, so we're going to get our Z Grill fired up. All we're going to do, we're going to open up the lid, hit the power button. It's going to come up to 275. When this thing starts to smoke, I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to turn this to 300 degrees, hit the program button. It's going to be ready to rock. So anyway, you guys enjoy these jams? Let's get involved, people. Come on. Woo! Guys, we're up to temp. The Z Grill is at 300 degrees. It's time to put this tri-tip on. I'm going to be using one of their temperature probes in this guy, so let's see what happens. Pop it right there. Ooh, I love that sizzle. Alright, cool. There we go. Oh man, it smells so good already just from hitting that. All right, I'll see you guys back here in a minute. We are up to temp. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. I'm going to bring it up to 500 degrees and we're going to do a reverse sear on it. So here we go. Looking great. We'll let this hang out while this Z-Grill gets up to 500 degrees. Okay, so we have a chimichurri sauce we're gonna be putting together. Very simple, let's get involved. So we're gonna go with 1 cup of olive oil, chopped garlic cloves, 5 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 cups of parsley, finely chopped. Okay, we have a whole lemon squeezed, so 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. We have 1 teaspoon of red pepper flake, salt and pepper to taste, and 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Let's go ahead and give it a stir. All right, our chimichurri is all mixed up. We're gonna let this hang out for about 20-30 minutes, and then we're gonna be putting this all together into an amazing little combo. So you guys hang tight, and here we go. You guys have some French baguettes here. I'm gonna throw them on the Z-Grill, toast them up, pull them off. I'm gonna start loading them up with some Bordeaux cheese. Then we're gonna cut into this guy. We're gonna put this thing together and see what happens. All right, our bread is toasted, our cheese is ready to go on, our meat has settled. So the Tri Tip actually has muscles that run in a couple different directions. So this section's kind of running this way and this one's running this way. So you've got to basically kind of cut it in the middle and then spin it to the direction that you need to cut it. So let's give it a shot. How'd we do?
Oh yeah.
That looks pretty amazing actually.
Yeah.
You see that up there? All right, these crostinis are looking incredible. I'm gonna bring some guys over, we're gonna give them a shot and see what happens. So, hey, we got Kevin Sklar over here.
Yeah.
What's up, Kevin?
Hello, Chef.
What's up, Bubba?
Thanks for having me back on.
Good to see you. Absolutely, brother. Can't wait to hear some of these jams tonight.
Yes.
It's gonna be so good. And we also have Mr. Ryan Cobb over here. Come on, Ryan Cobb. Yeah, what's up? Let's go, bro.
Good to see you, man.
Dude, welcome to the show.
Good to see you, Ryan.
Hey, Mr. Steve Wheeler's also here tonight, but he's hanging out on the side over here. But hey, guys, let's get involved with some of these crostinis. Ready to check it out?
Fantastic.
All right, cool. Grab one and let's go in. Let's get this guy up front over here.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Ooh, really good. That's fantastic.
Oh, hey, there's Steve. He's hanging out on the sideline.
This chimichurri sauce is to die for.
Hey, Steve. What's up, dude? Oh, man. This is like a powerhouse of flavor right here.
It's probably my favorite thing you've made.
Wow,
Yeah,
really?
This is up there.
Dude, there's so many flavors going on right now. That chimichurri, the portion cheese, the baguette, and that Tri Tip is perfect. Hey, let's get James Salzer in now. Let's get, who else do we have over here? We have Ashley. We got Martine. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, we're having a lot. Dude, this is so good. So good.
All right.
Oh yeah, give it a shot, guys. Come on. I have some napkins over here too. Oh no, doesn't look great. It's nice and festive looking too. You know, it looks very holiday kind of. For your holiday season, check these out. You will be the star of the show if you put these out for your guests. I'm telling you, it's so good.
It's a work of art.
So good.
It's a work of art. A work of art.
Oh, so good.
My God,
A lot of
dude.
flavor power right there, right? Oh man. Hey, you're all right. Here, I'll hook you up.
The chimichurri, give it a special.
It's a nice twist. Oh, dude, it's so good.
So interesting, so incredible.
Oh yeah. I'm just licking my finger from there. Good salad right here.
Really good.
So good. Oh man,
So good.
wow. That is incredible. You guys, seriously. Hey, what do you think?
Remember, a tremendous amount of flavors.
So
All these different flavors. It's wonderful.
Wonderful. Hey, Mr. Wonderful just approved. So good. Your holidays, guys, check these out. I'm talking with my mouth full, sorry, but it is incredible. We're going to catch you guys back here in just a minute. right, guys, we had an awesome show. You guys have got to check out those crostinis. They were so good. That tri-tip was incredible, along with that chimichurri. What'd you guys think of that? Woo! So good. Oh, man, it was so great, guys. And also want to give a shout out to Derek Enter with the merch company. Thank you so much, buddy. We appreciate you so much. So that's it, guys. Happy holidays. Check them out. We're going to go, we're going to see you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah.